These are the ingredients for my Johnny cakes, or you can call it fried cornbread as well. I have 2 cups of self-rising cornmeal, yellow or white, doesn't matter. I have a 1/2 cup of self-rising flour. I have a whole cup of milk, may not use all of it. And I have about a 1/2 cup of canola oil and 1 egg. Okay, I've cracked the egg. I'm going to break it up. I'm going to add some milk. This is 1%. You use whatever you like. A little bit at a time here. Again, I may not use the whole cup of milk. Okay, pour a little bit of canola oil. You can use vegetable oil, whatever. A little bit. About that much is all I'll probably use. That's probably 3 to 4 tablespoons. Maybe a little less. Whip that up. Then I'm going to add my 2 cups cornmeal. Stir that up. I'm going to add my 1/2 cup flour. A little more milk. Stir that up. Okay, I did add the whole 1 cup of milk. This is kind of the consistency you want it. Now I'm going to move it over to the skillet. Okay, I've got my skillet getting hot. Pour just a little bit of the canola oil in it. Sit there so it won't drip. Kind of swirl it around. Let it get a little bit hotter. Okay, I believe the grease is hot. You don't want it just extremely hot to where it's going to bubble up and burn you. Spoon your batter into it. Add a little more. Now usually the first one never turns out for me. So cross your fingers that it does. It's almost like pancakes. You'll see it kind of bubble around the edges. It'll start turning a little golden brown. Swirl my grease around a little bit. I'm going to turn my temperature down, maybe 6. I don't want to get it too hot. It'll cook so fast the middle won't be done. You got it bubbling? Okay. See if I can flip it. There we go. So far, so good. Smells so good. I forgot to add that if you like them a little sweet, you can add just a pinch of sugar or 2 with this. When you mix it up, I'd say maybe teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, depends on how sweet you like it. I don't like it sweet because I like to be able to eat it with beans and cornbread and stuff. Okay, I'm going to flip it again. See how the bottom's getting golden? And it is an absolute must that you use a non-stick skillet. Okay guys, I'm going to call it done. There you go. That is how you make Johnny cakes. Enjoy. Here they are. Got them all done. I believe it made 10 Johnny cake. If you have trouble with the middles not getting done all the way, you need to turn your heat down a little bit let it cook a little longer in the skillet.